Let's make some turkey, bacon, cheddar, ranch, grilled cheese sandwiches on the Blackstone. We got turkey, bacon, sourdough bread, sharp cheddar cheese, butter, and ranch. Fire that griddle up. I'm seeing smoke. Let's get some groceries on the griddle. Get that bacon to frying up. Let's flip the bacon. Bacon's done. Let's take it up. Warm that turkey up in that bacon grease. Let's flip the turkey. That's some good looking turkey right there. Let's take the turkey up. Time to build some sandwiches. Throw down your bread. Add some cheese. Add some turkey. Add some bacon. Add some ranch. Add more cheese. They're good, but we got to toast them. Put down some butter. Put down the sandwiches. Now, once you got to toast them like you want, flip them on over. Let's put them under a dome. Add a little water. Melt that cheese down. Ooh, what you think about that? Let's eat. Yeah, buddy.